My name is Nicola Morris. I'm a student at QuickStart Cybersecurity Bootcamp. I live in Atlanta, Georgia. Prior to me enrolling into cybersecurity school, I had zero knowledge of anything. I knew how to turn a computer on. I knew how to fix the settings. I learned so much just since the beginning of this class, from cybersecurity to Python. I would have never thought that I would know how to write a Python program. I'm not an expert. Our instructors understand that. They know that, hey, I got people at the beginning of their cybersecurity journey, and I have some people that's advanced, and they didn't let that deter how they cater the class. So they made it to where we understand. Michael Garrett is excellent. I had numerous one-on-one sessions with him, and he's helped me get through some of the material. I highly recommend this class for anyone that's trying to find a new career path, want something challenging to do. I'm a 21-year vet. I work on computers all day. I'm actually a spectrum manager. I work with frequencies. I do recommend this class for anyone that's looking for a fresh start. Thank you.